Hey, what's up? It's me, Angel. Yes. Right now, I am in the middle of a snowstorm. Think I'm bullshitting? Watch. Shit. This is really bad. It just started this afternoon. Yep, this afternoon. The funny thing about it, I have a Trailblazer, right? V6, four-wheel drive. But what's good about having a four-wheel drive if your two front tires is bald like Kojak? My right side wheel is so bald, I got antennas sticking out of it. And what I mean by antennas, mean there's a bunch of wire. The shit's starting to look like Brillo. I had no clue that tires had some type of Brillo to it once it dissolves and once it starts losing all his threads. It's fucked up. So here I am in the middle of a snowstorm with two front bald tires. On top of that, you want to hear what's funny? I need ball joints on both ends of my front truck. Ball joints. You want to also hear what else is funny? My fucking car pulls to the right when I let my steering wheel go. That means I need an alignment. Now, I took my truck to get an alignment. They wouldn't do it. Why? Because they told me that I need ball joints. That costs money. So I figure, okay, I'm going to ride this shit out until I get the money and do it. And now it's fucking snowing. And then tomorrow it's supposed to be really, really bad. So this is not good. This is a bad situation right now. Right now I feel like doing a 360. Like step on gas. Right now I'm doing about 25 miles per hour on a highway that you can go about 65. I'm over exaggerating, not 65. Like 45. 55. One of those fucking things. I don't listen to the freaking speed limits. I just go. And I'm in a situation where I'm gonna get trapped. Now I live on City Hill. On top of City Hill, I gotta climb this shit. This is gonna be funny as hell. Now, I can't try it while I'm filming, because if I try climbing the hill while I'm filming, the last thing that's gonna happen is I'm gonna get clipped. And when I get clipped, the cops is gonna be like, why is your phone still recording? I don't know, officer. It just recorded on its own. The shit is haunted. So, this is my life. My life in the snow. Now, if you guys remember my last video, not my last video, but I did a video a while back. It was called The Naked Weatherman. I had no shirt. I was acting like I was the weatherman. And in a time like this, screaming out that this is not snow. This is a bunch of orbs. All right, Facebook. I'm going to let you go because I'm at my destination. I'm getting ready to get off the highway. And this is where the shit's going to hit the fan. If I don't do another video after this, then I'm fucking dead. Over and out.